Thomas Jefferson did not attend the First Continental Congress. However, he was elected to be a member of the Second Continental Congress, which began in May 1775. Following the Battle of Bunker Hill of June 17, 1775, Jefferson stated, "Nobody now entertains a doubt that we are able to cope with the whole force of Great Britain if we are but willing to exert ourselves." At the start of the Revolutionary War, Jefferson was a colonel and was named commander of the Albemarle County Militia on September 26, 1775. It was as a member of the Second Continental Congress, however, that Jefferson became initially significant to the Revolution. As a delegate to the Congress, Jefferson was made part of a small committee that was given the job of drafting the Declaration of Independence, of which he became the principal author, a document that was adopted by Congress on the 4th of July, 1776. According to historian Edmund Morgan, Jefferson would have included a statement against slavery in the Declaration of Independence had not other members of the Congress ruled it out. By late 1776, Jefferson had left the Congress and was then elected to the Virginia House of Delegates for Albemarle County in September 1776, when finalising a state constitution was a priority. From 1776 to 1779, Jefferson was pivotal in passing a range of important pieces of state legislation. Jefferson drafted more than 120 pieces of state legislation during this time, some of which proved to be quite revolutionary and also important to the fledgling republic. He made efforts to abolish what he called feudal distinctions, powers that he felt landed aristocracy in the state were working to uphold and maintain, as well as challenging laws around primogeniture, the existing practice that only the eldest male in a family could inherit land. Based on the ideas and ideals that Jefferson had written into the Declaration of Independence, Massachusetts freed its slaves on the strength of the Declaration and wove Jefferson's language into its state constitution of 1780. The meaning "all men" sounded equally clear and so disturbing to the authors of the constitutions of 6 southern states that they amended Jefferson's wording. "All freemen," they wrote in the founding documents, "are equal." The authors of those state constitutions knew what Jefferson meant and they could not accept it. The Continental Congress ultimately struck the passage because South Carolina and Georgia, crying out for more slaves, would not abide shutting down the market. In 1783, the United States formed a Congress of the Confederation following victory in the Revolutionary War with the Peace of Paris of 1783, to which Jefferson was appointed as a Virginian delegate. Jefferson sat in the Continental Congress and experienced firsthand some of the challenges of governing the new society.